Ameerika Ühendriikide maaväe ülem Euroopas kindralleitnant Frederick Ben Hodges külastas Kaitseväe peastaapi esimese jalaväebrigaadi Tapa linnakut ning kohtus nii Eesti kui ka siin teenivate Ühendriikide kaitseväelastega, et arutada USA väekontingendi rotatsiooniga seonduvaid küsimusi.
Well, I'm very proud that the United States Army was able to respond very quickly with airborne soldiers from Italy in the first few weeks. As soon as the president said that we needed to do this, so you had paratroopers coming into Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and Poland, and then they've been replaced by cavalry soldiers. And now, for the first time, we've got a heavy formation that came all the way from Fort Hood, Texas, the first iteration of the rotational force. And this is how the Army is going to continue to provide capability in Europe, is by rotating forces from the states.
Ta tunnistas, et Eesti kaitsevägi on oma tegevuses väga ambitsioonikas. Järgmisel aastal korraldatav õppus SEAL on üks suuremaid õppuseid terves NATOs.
Estonia already spending 2% of its GDP on defense, and also additionally is prepared to spend more money as host nation to enable this. That's very important. The exercise schedule of Estonian forces is a very ambitious schedule, and U.S. Army forces want to be and are a part of that exercise schedule.
Samuti kinnitas kindralleitnant Hodges, et NATO jälgib väga tähelepanelikult Ukraina kriisi.
Well, obviously we've been watching Ukraine very carefully. The illegal annexation of Crimea, the violation of all sorts of international norms of disregard for sovereignty and for borders, the kidnapping of an Estonian security official, the seizure of a Lithuanian fishing vessel, what Russia is doing in terms of the rhetoric that comes out of the government officials. None of this contributes to optimism about a peaceful, getting it back to a normal sort of relationship and bringing Russia back into the community of nations.
Kindralleitnant Hodges kohtus oma visiidil teiste seas Kaitseväe juhataja kindralmajor Riho Terrasega ning tutvus jalaväebrigaadi taristu ja ameeriklaste elamistingimustega.